Unless you've been living under a rock, chances are you have heard of the new wave of AI currently taking the industry by storm. That's right, AI is here, and it seems it is here to stay. The first true AI wave that hit most popularly was the infamous ChatGPT. ChatGPT shocked, thrilled, and fascinated millions of people worldwide, but it appears that ChatGPT already has a rival no one saw coming. We're talking about Google's Dreamix today, the brand new AI developed by Google. Like many of us wonder, what does Dreamix offer that GPT doesn't? How do they compare side by side? Will Dreamix dethrone GPT and replace it as the world's #1 AI? And most importantly, is AI even viable and here to stay? Well, brace yourself for this bone-chilling update because we intend to take a deep dive into the AI phenomenon as it's sending shockwaves across the tech world. Google is one of the OGs, and when we say this, we mean literally. Beyond being the world's largest search engine, Google has shown that they are forever innovative and looking to bring the next best thing. In a world of ceaseless technological innovation, Google has once again astounded the global community by unveiling its newest creation, Dreamix. A cutting-edge addition to its artificial intelligence family, Dreamix promises to be a magical experience for users and a genuine game-changer in the AI space. Early in February 2023, Google unveiled Dreamix, its latest contribution to the AI industry. This newest magical addition to its artificial intelligence family was a great shock to fans of the trending ChatGPT. If there's one thing that caught people's attention in this announcement, it is that Dreamix is promised to be the end-all be-all for everything AI, from real-world video and text to graphics and impeccable video editing. It feels like we're not even ready to see Dreamix's full potential. Text-driven image and video diffusion models have recently achieved unprecedented generation realism. While diffusion models have been successfully applied for image editing, very few works have done so for video editing. We present the first diffusion-based method that is able to perform text-based motion and appearance editing of general videos, the company said through GitHub Research Abstract. This incredible development has left fans of widely acclaimed ChatGPT shocked. But what is it about Dreamix that could potentially render ChatGPT obsolete? Let us explore the mesmerizing reality that Dreamix offers and discover why it could become the ultimate AI revolution. First of all, let's look at Dreamix's dazzling feature. The Dreamix AI system is an extraordinary blend of innovation and imagination, boasting many features set to leave users obsessed. What makes Dreamix so unique and capable of surpassing ChatGPT? The answer lies in its ability to learn and adapt with astonishing speed. Another incredible feature is its seamless integration of various AI components, which together form a breathtaking, cohesive whole. Can you imagine interacting with an AI system that seems to understand your every objective and requirement even before you articulate them? That's the magic of Dreamix. Before we do a deep dive into Dreamix's blend of AI tech, let's first understand Dreamix's mesmerizing leap in language understanding. Google's CEO, Sundar Pichai, stated in an interview, "We've been working on Dreamix for years, and we're thrilled to finally launch it. With Dreamix, we're taking a significant step towards our goal of creating a more helpful and accessible internet for everyone." The model's architecture is designed to be highly flexible, allowing it to adapt to a wide range of language tasks. Dreamix can perform a range of language understanding tasks, from sentiment analysis to translation, and even chatbot development. This versatility means that Dreamix has the potential to revolutionize how businesses communicate with customers, as well as how people interact with technology. One of the most captivating aspects of Dreamix is its unprecedented prowess in natural language understanding. By harnessing the power of Google's cutting-edge algorithms and neural networks, Dreamix has transcended the limitations of previous AI systems, including the once impressive ChatGPT. What does this mean for its users? It signifies a truly immersive and intuitive interaction with an AI that seems almost human in its comprehension and responsiveness. Could this be the beginning of the end for ChatGPT? Okay, now for the part we've all been waiting for, a close look at Dreamix's enchanting integration of AI technologies. Dreamix's allure doesn't stop at its linguistic capabilities. The integration of AI technologies in Dreamix, such as machine learning, deep learning, and neural networks, has already had a significant impact on the field of natural language processing. According to a recent report by Gartner, The use of AI technologies in natural language processing is set to grow significantly over the next few years. The report predicts that by 2024, 90% of enterprise-scale companies will have implemented some form of AI-powered natural language processing technology. But the question is, how will it do this? Well, the technology behind Dreamix involves a combination of computer vision, natural language processing, and machine learning techniques. At its core, Dreamix uses deep learning models to analyze video content and extract information about the objects and scenes in the footage. These models are trained on large datasets of labeled video content, allowing them to accurately identify and track objects such as people, animals, and vehicles, as well as recognize different types of scenes, lighting conditions, and other visual features. Once the video content has been analyzed, Dreamix uses natural language processing techniques to interpret user input in the form of text-based commands. These commands can include instructions to modify the appearance of objects in the video, adjust the camera angle or lighting, or add special effects and transitions. Dreamix's AI algorithms then use this input to generate new video content that reflects the desired changes. For example, if a user types "make the sky more blue," Dreamix might adjust the color balance and saturation of the video to make the sky appear more vibrant and saturated. Another key aspect of Dreamix's AI technology is its ability to learn from user feedback. As users make changes to the video content and provide feedback on the results, Dreamix's algorithm can learn and adapt to user preferences, becoming increasingly effective at generating high-quality edited video content over time. This makes up the sophisticated mixed video image fine-tuning that we will all see. The seamless fusion of these advanced technologies allows Dreamix to provide users with a genuinely engaging, personalized experience unlike anything ChatGPT could offer. So far, how do you feel about the prospect of an AI that is so advanced it seems almost magical? Do you think it's worth the hype? Tell us what you think in the comments. So what does this really mean for ChatGPT? As Dreamix captures the hearts and minds of users worldwide, it is becoming increasingly apparent that ChatGPT's days are numbered. The sheer scope and innovation of Dreamix's capabilities have relegated ChatGPT to a relic of the past as the world embraces the next generation of AI technology. According to a post by tech startups, GitHub research shows that Dreamix edits videos using a video and text prompt to maintain color, posture, object size, and camera pose for temporal consistency. It can't generate videos from prompts alone, but can modify existing material with text prompts. This is a capability that ChatGPT lacks. As AI technology advances, it's only natural for newer models to surpass their predecessors. In the case of ChatGPT, its once unrivaled performance now faces a formidable challenge from Dreamix. Experts in the field believe that Dreamix's advanced features will ultimately eclipse ChatGPT. Also, as Dreamix continues to evolve and improve, it is hard to envision a future where ChatGPT can keep up. Is it time to bid farewell to the once beloved ChatGPT? And finally, the magical future of Dreamix. As we delve deeper into the enthralling world of Dreamix, it becomes increasingly clear that this phenomenal AI system is poised to redefine the landscape of artificial intelligence. With its unparalleled language understanding, enchanting integration of AI technologies, and an innate ability to captivate users, Dreamix stands as a testament to the limitless potential of human innovation. According to Dreamix, the AI-powered all-in-one creation tool that allows individuals, teams, as well as institutions to quickly set up a highly customized Web3 virtual space. Beyond industry-specific applications, Dreamix promises to reshape our daily lives, making technology more intuitive and user-friendly. In a recent interview with Dreamix CEO Todor Gigalev, he shared his vision for the company in the next 3 to 5 years. Gigalev expressed his belief that Dreamix will become a prominent figure in the AI and machine learning fields, particularly in the technology, finance, and healthcare industries. He also emphasized that the company's focus on these specific industries stems from their desire to make a positive impact on society. As the sun sets on ChatGPT, the world eagerly awaits the magical new dawn that Dreamix promises to bring. Are you ready to embrace the future of AI? In conclusion, the advent of Google's Dreamix has undeniably shaken the foundations of the AI landscape, prompting many to question the future of ChatGPT. As we have explored throughout this article, Dreamix's advanced capabilities, cutting-edge technology, and seamless integration with various platforms all contribute to its perceived superiority over ChatGPT. However, it is important to consider that the field of artificial intelligence is one of constant evolution and change. While Dreamix may currently overshadow ChatGPT, there remains the possibility of future developments that could propel the latter back to the forefront of AI technology. This raises a few thought-provoking questions. Will ChatGPT ultimately be able to adapt and evolve to remain relevant in the ever-changing AI ecosystem? Or will Dreamix prove to be an insurmountable force, marking the end of ChatGPT's reign? As we ponder these questions, it is also crucial to reflect on our own roles in shaping the development and use of AI technology. How do we, as users and creators, envision the future of AI? What are the ethical considerations we must address in order to ensure responsible and equitable AI development and deployment? Ultimately, the fate of ChatGPT, Dreamix, and other AI technologies rests in our hands, and it is our collective responsibility to navigate this rapidly advancing frontier with care and oversight. AI experts have varying opinions on this matter. The various opinions are stated below as follows. According to experts, the use of artificial intelligence chatbots, such as ChatGPT, is revolutionizing the methods of teaching and studying for students. These language model AIs have the ability to produce impeccable academic essays. On the other hand, Mike Sharpies, an emeritus professor at the Open University in the United Kingdom, cautions that the utilization of GPT can lead to widespread plagiarism. Several students have acknowledged using this technology to generate academic essays with excellent language proficiency. It seems to provide free ghostwriting services to everyone, but there are instances that demonstrate the factual inaccuracies of ChatGPT's responses. As AI technologies advance, it is crucial to consider their ethical implications, societal impacts, and potential risks. One question to contemplate is how the competition between these two AI giants might influence the direction of AI research and development. Will this rivalry lead to more focused efforts on addressing critical issues such as AI bias and transparency? Or might it result in an unhealthy race for dominance that sidelines essential ethical considerations? The story of ChatGPT and Dreamix is but a single chapter in the greater universe of artificial intelligence, and it remains to be seen how their tale will unfold. As we continue to witness the rapid evolution of AI technologies, we must remain vigilant and open-minded, for the potential of these innovations is limited only by our imaginations and our willingness to embrace the unknown. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to enjoy more updates like this.